Yeah, family. So it's our third day. Third day at the hotel. I'm actually heading for breakfast on the third day. While he's on the phone with Amish back in Nairobi. So our third day.
Mom, Hamish, bye baby. Hamish baby, bye. Bye. Bye baby. Look at that.
Bye Amish.
Come and see him smiling. Bye baby. Say bye to Baba. Does your toy cook Baba?
It's where we eat breakfast, family. Breakfast is there waiting for us.
Look at you. Hey.
Hey family, so today is the third day and I can see that the breakfast is different. I only could get one coconut because we came late. Yeah family, so let's eat and enjoy. We asked Jah to bless this meal and provide us the weight so we can always eat more. What's on?
It's looking so good.
Let's make him have to win first. Family, so it's the third breakfast, and as you can see today they have sweet potato and coconut and some mushroom. Today they have watermelon juice and orange juice. You know, I choose watermelon because I love watermelon. So it was a good mix and difference. Each day it's different food and I'm really enjoying it family. So let's enjoy. You have toast bread over there and what? Mandazi. So you're gonna taste mandazi in Tanzania, in Zanzibar. Yeah, the coconut water is there. Let me drink it up before it get cold. You want some water, coconut water? Finish up in your watermelon juice. Good girl. Good girl who done gone bad.
When a good girl gone bad, what you gonna do?
Family, so we just finished with breakfast and we're just walking out in the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden, we're just walking out. And as you guys know, the Garden of Eden is in South Africa. Not in the Middle East, as they say. The Garden of Eden.
I'm so full until
The Garden of Eden. Yeah, family. So what I'm gonna do next, I want to go and hit the gym because, you know, ever since I came, I've been working out.
You've been enjoying the fruits of your labor.
Yeah. And I've been actually in pain. But if you want to gain, you have to have pain. You have to have pain. You have to gain if you want pain. Yeah, family. So let's go to the gym. I remember when I was yeah, family. So this is the view. We're just walking around Hotel Vad. Sun is out and we are out.
Up and about.
So over there, that's where we're gonna do the kayaking.
Then we'll stay that side.
Yes, we wanna go over there. Today we're gonna do that. Kayaking. Hotel Vad. Feel like me down me yard at Hotel Vad. Ready?
Yeah.
One more.
Little flat.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
You also want one.
No, it's alright. I don't want any.
You want?
The video is on.
You want one?
I don't want it. Go
Make
a
sure
little
you
bit down.
don't talk one.
Let's go all,
Time to leave it behind.
let's go all the way down. Hotel Vad. Feel like me down my yard. I think that's a port over there. Kilimanjaro. 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 It's not Kilimanjaro. 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 Yeah, family, so it's almost our last day here. Our last day. All good things will be forever. All good things will be forever, family. So family, yeah, good things last forever with Jam Tours Africa. So I want you to like, share and comment on the video, family. Let us know your thought about the short getaway. Yeah, I think it's for these people. I'm also really for people who want these things. It's like other thing, when these Europeans bring their money to Africa, it lasts long, so they can buy a lot of stuff. It might look expensive to you, but it's cheap to them. Bring down how much euros and pounds and USD. Goes a long way. Imagine you have the highest money is how much? 100,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, and 100,000 is like what, 5 US or something?
Okay,
10.
Tanzania. Imagine 50. 100K, 50 years.
So the exchange rate is like, and that's what they do to hold down African family. They use the currency to hold it down. So it's devalued its stuff in Africa, so they can still come and own it. And then the local, it's hard for them to own it. So that's the currency. If all things should go equal, you know what I mean? There's certain things, it would be equal and an equal level playing field. And it would be equal for everybody, but all things is not equal in this world. The world not level, the world not equal. You know what I mean? So that's the reason why you find that these African countries, people them suffer so much because of currency. Yeah. Yeah, it's free. It's not like in a little cage.
Yeah, you know some hotels are just on the road, like.
Yeah. Remember, we're supposed to go here to see if we could find a way to. I'm sure this place here for us to swim. Let's walk around. Let's go around. Let's go around and come around. Let's go down to the beach. But you know this, the guy never want to carry down there, sweetie.
No.
And just turn around. And I've said to myself yesterday, that why I'm just turn around like that, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I would say I would actually go and see. Yeah, no, there's a way there. Remember there was a straight way, but you just turn around. It's like, you know, we go to so far. Maybe, you know, we might find a beach there and stuff. So we don't have to actually, you know, pay for the, you know what I mean? Eh? So where the room are, to where we're at right now, you can see. Eh? That's 14 seconds. 14 seconds of Zanzibar. Zanzibari. We are part of Zanzibar. We are part of. Yeah, family. So I'm actually at the edge of the Indian Ocean. As you can see, find a little chill spot to actually, you know what I mean, get some water on our foot before we go kayak. We're enjoying the meditation. Eh? You're loving it. You're loving it. Yeah. Yeah. Just the relaxation and hearing the sea roar. Some relaxation time. I'm trying to put my foot. That's the thing, you don't want to know if the stone slippery. You don't want a slippery soap. Yeah, family, so getting some of John Nature water. We are close, we could swim right here. Could swim right here. Not really swim, but just, you know what I mean, just come in the water and relax. Yeah. There's a crab. Catch him for you. See if he's gone. Gone. See if I can catch him, blood. Yeah? I guess we need to block the sea from coming up. Yeah. Family, so we actually finally the spot behind Cape Verde, and I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna get my swim. Cape Verde, the water is so cold though, but I couldn't come without Zanzibar. And as you can see, there's no. This is like the beach behind the hotel. It's like a secret beach. So I have to swim, family. I have to swim. The water is very cold. It's very cold. Okay. Yeah, family. So I'm gonna about to take a swim now. Swim. Water cold though. Family. So the water was so clean. This is like a secret spot we found behind the hotel. So I'm gonna take a sip. So catch me diving in.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay. Wait, I go off the water. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
What love. Jobless. That's our water.
See, I'm videoing.
Yeah, family, let us know if you like this. A little spot. When you come to Cape Verde, just come round to the back
Cape Verde.
and come down.
Hotel Verde.
Hotel Verde. The water is life.
It's a nice spot.
Life is water.
It starts from here.
Yeah.
Come now. Come to me. Come, baby.
Dark puddle. Family, so this is wifey in the water. And you said this is the first time you're coming to water so close. Yeah, it's the first time she actually gets into water so close. Ah. Imagine you're struggling to this.
I guess this is how people die. I cannot imagine how people think now. Oh my God, didn't die.
Yeah, family, so as I said, we find this little nice little beach here and we're just having it for ourselves. No one is here. It's just we alone here. And we're enjoying the water. Enjoying the water. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy with us. We're showing it to you. So like, share and subscribe to the video, family. Water is life. Water is therapy. One love. God bless. Jamaica. Jam Tours Africa, family. Jam Tours. We're live in Zanzibar. We are part down at Zanzibar.
Teach me how to swim.
Yeah, I'll come and teach.
I don't know how to swim.
Yeah, I'll teach you how to dog paddle.
Wait, laugh at me.
Dog paddle. Family, this is Miss Jam Tours in the water saying she's learning to swim. This is how she swim. And the shore. Hey, you can come from side to side. Exercise. This is how Miss Jam Tours swim, family. This is how Miss Jam Tours swim.
I know we didn't see this, like we didn't know there's such a sport, so. Not true.
Mm.
I can rotate in the water now.
You said before you couldn't rotate. Alright, family, let me go back in the water because right now I'm feeling hot, so I need to cool down in this water right now. So let's go and enjoy. Yeah, family, so we finished swimming and soaking our body in this water from nature, from God. So we're gonna go back to the hotel room now. Or was it?
I was myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so let's go back to the hotel. Maybe take a nap. So you don't want to do kayaking today. Not in the mood for your kayaking no more because you get the water right there. You know, would actually kayak to a spot like this outside. So now we get it here.
I don't
think we need to kayak, so we're just gonna go and sleep. Yeah. Family, let's go. Let's go. Have some guys here on the speedboat. This is the spot, clean. Some people coming out on the beach. It's like a public spot. 2 girls here coming. I guess we can wash our foot there. Yeah. That guy was washing. Yeah. Sand. White sands of Zanzibar. We have Zanzibar apart. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, there is the hotel there. There is the hotel. You're walking like that, you're cool? Yeah? Because you're in that wet clothes. Yeah.
I think this is nice.
Yeah.
This one will help me more confident.
Guys, should they?
Let's put it
I wonder if this card will work now that I touch the water.
blood.
Well, let's see if the card will work, family. Wipe it off. Alright. What did it last in the water? No, what did the card last in the water? I didn't realize it was there. We are take a part down at Zanzibar. We touch the water down at Zanzibar. The Indian Ocean water. We touch Atlantic Ocean water already. Indian Ocean water, Caribbean Sea. I only need to touch the Pacific. And you can expect that trip to Bali, Tahiti, Bora Bora. Yeah, this is where I will be going next, family. This is where we'll be taking you. Next, we'll take you to the Pacific. So you can wash your foot here. So this guy was washing here. There are pipes. Let's wash our foot and go back to the hotel. Go back to the hotel. Down on the ground, water and foot. Water and foot. Slippers on. Flush of water. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, family, I do hope you like this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. You know what I mean, this is just a Zanzibar, you know, small vacation, a couple of days, and we really enjoy you know, coming out of that cold from Kenya, Nairobi, into a sunny and hot, where beaches, food and people and coconut water. It was a very great experience. All good things will last forever. So this will last forever, family, and send it out in the universe accept it, and it's gonna give it back to us, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm yet to touch Caribbean Sea.
Okay.